own an Onson D18e and your head brush over here has broken. Mine has broken a few times. You probably want to get a replacement instead of buying a whole new vacuum. You can try contacting Onson manufacturer. I don't know how to contact them, but I imagine the replacement part is pretty expensive. I googled and I found this website over here, Comforty Home. Instead of saying Onson, it mentions Dibea D18 Pro, D18 G12. So I'm guessing this is the original maker, Dibea, because if you look at this image, it's exactly the same. So I googled it, Dibea D18, and I found on AliExpress you can find this part for about $25.79, with shipping though. Cost $18 to ship. But this is the comparable part, and you can Google it. It costs even more for this Dibea part. On eBay it costs $75. So anyways, right now it's not feasible really if you purchase this, because it'll end up costing you about $40 something. $40 is, you're already up to buying a whole new color stick vacuum that's off brand like this one. So you need to figure out what to do about my broken brush head. But anyways, I just wanted to let anyone who has a D18e Onson, this is the part that we need. Yay!